In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google verification on Kucoin. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting to explore the world of cryptocurrency exchanges, adding an additional layer of security is essential. Google verification, part of two-factor authentication, offers increased protection, making sure only you can access your account, even if someone else knows your password. Let's dive into the process step by step, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. To begin, you'll need to visit the Kucoin website. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL for Kucoin. This will take you directly to their homepage, which is the first step in securing your account. Once you're on the Kucoin homepage, you'll want to navigate to the login section. Look for the login button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the sign-in page where you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Make sure you have your username and password handy. It's a good idea to use strong, unique passwords to protect your account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself back on the Kucoin homepage. Now, it's time to proceed to your profile. Look for a profile icon or your account name, which typically appears at the top right corner of the website. Clicking on this will display a drop-down menu, where you will see various options related to your account settings. Choose the option labeled Profile, which will redirect you to your account management page. Here, you can access all your account details and settings. The next step is crucial: enabling two-factor authentication. Still within the Account Management or Profile section, look for the Security tab or section. This is where you manage all security-related settings for your account. Click on Security, which will expand several security options available on Kucoin. In this section, you'll find the two-factor authentication or 2FA option. Click on this to proceed to the two-factor authentication setup page. Now, you're one step closer. On your screen, you'll see various forms of two-factor authentication methods. You'll want to select Google verification from the options provided. Clicking on Google verification will initiate the setup process. The system will guide you through linking your Google Authenticator app to your Kucoin account. To complete this setup, make sure you have the Google Authenticator app installed on your mobile device. If not, you can download it from the App Store compatible with your device. Once installed, use the app to scan the QR code provided on the Kucoin website. This will link Kucoin with your Google Authenticator, generating a unique verification code. Enter this code on the Kucoin site when prompted. And voila! You've added a strong layer of security to your account. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled Google verification on Kucoin, making your crypto trading experience more secure. Always remember to keep your verification device and codes safe to ensure continuous access to your account. Thanks for watching, and stay secure in your crypto journey.